cross, cross, back, back, cross, cross, back. I really want kids to really be able to start off at a young age learning about music, learning about moving and feeling comfortable in their own skin. If we can really establish that at a young age, that's going to help them through their teenage years, the young adult years, and as they start to, live their lives as adults. Teaching them about healthy eating, teaching them about self-esteem, teaching them about standing up for themselves. The thing with my workshops, the kids workshop and the teen workshops, is all about building confidence, building that self-esteem, learning diversity, and really establishing their foundation early. They're the future, and so we want to make sure that we get them going as early as possible. Dance is its own language. You don't necessarily have to know the words. So when we're listening to music that's from Turkey or from Brazil, people don't know what is necessarily being said, but the beat, the music really just resonates in people's bodies, and I think dance really allows kids and teens and even adults to really express themselves. And that's what's so fun about music, is it's its own language, its own ability, and dance really allows you to really express that.